Okay, Pravil, you just passed your driving test. Congratulations again. What happened during the test? What questions did the driving examiner ask you about at the beginning of the test?
Okay, thank you. So initially, after checking the indicators and brake light, we got in the car, and she asked me to show hazard lights and wiper. So two car controls.
Okay, cool. And what maneuvers did you do during the test?
I did straight reverse and reverse parallel park. And the reverse parallel park was a little bit off, but I was pretty happy.
Okay, so one minor mark
One
just for
minor
that.
mark. Yes,
Okay,
yeah.
great. Your test was at 8:45. Did you go to highway?
No, we did not go to the highway, only residential areas and then main roads.
Okay, cool. Were you nervous during the test?
Extremely nervous in the beginning, but it was okay. Yeah, after a while, got used to it, and it was not too. It didn't feel that much after a while. It was okay. Yeah,
And how was the examiner?
but she was okay. She was very nice. Yeah.
The instructions were they clear?
They were very clear, and she told me even if you get it wrong, like you go right or instead of left, it's okay. And just ask if it's not clear. Just ask.
Okay, perfect. And so you're from India. What are the challenges you think when the Indians face when they drive in Australia?
Um, I think it's relatively easier, I would say, to drive here because everyone follows the rule and everything is signed, and it's easier to drive here. Maybe when you bring in some habits from India to here, that's when initially you'll find it challenging. You drive to the conditions there, and it's totally different here. Then some of those carried over habits makes it a little bit challenging here.
Okay, cool. Any advice for learners who go for a driving test?
I think, I mean, it's easy to say don't be nervous, but you're going to get some nervousness. But I think have some lessons closer to the test would be beneficial, rather than finish all the tests, all the learnings, and then 1 month later you have the test. Maybe may not be nice. Have just before the test, have a couple of lessons. Maybe easier.
Okay, great advice. Thank you very much, Pravil. Congratulations again.
Thank you.